bonded or baking. So this is one side done. Well, 6 implant cases, and we have to diagnosis is occlusion, which is a very heavy bite, and without frame design. It's very interesting case about this is we work with more experience. It's not like we just fabricate it. I'm a dental laboratory technician, by the way. I'm not a dentist, so I'm working with dentists. So dentists prescribe it. As most of our clients, they trust me and our team. And 6 unit bridge, and 4 implants, and just like you see. The problem is the huge space in between that we call Pontic. And then more problem is the after diagnosis is the model is all grinded and touching the all occlusion contact. So instead of make the 6 unit bridge top of this, I'll call 6 unit bridge. So we made the frame design internally. That's the key. So we anodizing, we don't have to. Sometimes we can anodizing and then make the colors a little prettier and slightly make a low value. And then opaque outside. Okay, and then top of this is 4 implant we just seated. And this is we call the frame design, then prepared it and protected. Just like the building structure. So think about it. If I don't do with the building structures, the frame design properly done, we'll get collapsed, we'll get problem, we'll get the occlusion issue because patient chew is very heavily, right? Just like me, it's heavily touching, grinding the food, and it will be the porcelain fracture. Okay, that not only porcelain fracture, and that we will engage with the implant maybe failure because of heavy forces. Okay, so the reason I make the frame design, the 2 reasons. Number 1, to make a little bit softer the occlusion contact, which is a titanium frame design. If I make the chrome cobalt non-precious design, which is mill, is a better, stronger for bar, but it's more rigid. But compared to adjacent teeth, the lower teeth, you get friction is a little bit problem to bite. So we decide the titanium, and then we frame digitally all linger whenever they touching the occlusion contact, whenever chew the protrusion. So we fully contact with that one. But before we do that, so we have to make the custom abutment, which is this is tissue types. So slightly grinding underneath, properly done tissue contour, and then facial areas make 1 millimeter lower than tissue for the aesthetic. And then all the way medial and distal, and then we cover it with the tissue with the ceramic. But lingers, we're trying to make the same level because of cleansability. Okay, so this is screw retain, right? So we make the 2 piece now, but we're going to cement soon, so make 1 piece. So dentists can using that one piece. As long as they made a good verification jig, passive fitting, they will be fit. If not, then I have a problem. So we have to cut it and everything. So custom abutment, that's the reason. A lot of people using this implant side, they're using tie-base, titanium abutment, okay? So which is already prefabricated in manufacture. It's not custom. Custom meaning we design it and the mill properly done, so make the good tissue size of area. This is very imperative, okay? It's not like the stock tie bases, put it in there, no. So this is very important to make the custom abutment in between the teeth, make sure all seated, and then hide it, cleansability, and then good aesthetic too. On top of that, we made this, okay, with composite opaque outside, because titanium is not good for bonded or baking. So this is one side done. The reason I made the 2 piece, which is passive insertion problem, so we made the 2 piece, like here, top. Okay. So we're going to get the cement soon. that we can match it whenever doctors prefer the same area, same design, so we can make it as much as possible compared to what they send me the temporary. So this is the design goal, and then finally we finish it, and then we can add it up here, just like that. Okay, it's beautiful color, and then protect it for back side. So whenever the patient's grinding this, okay, so we protect it. It's very imperative. Otherwise, this is all fail. It will be one piece. We have to get the good cementation, the both teeth, then we close as possible, and then the doctor can get the one piece. Then we will get the both contour and aesthetic as much as possible, especially here, the oral contact. That one is a good, precise plan, and then we can give it to the patient, and doctors are more comfortable and as much as possible regarding for implant. It's kind of a little price too, but we make the good implant prosthetic, just like treated my teeth. And by the way, thanks for watching my all social media, and follow up the YouTube. And my name is Luke Kahng. I'm changing my glasses. I'm getting old. Appreciate it, and see you next time. Thanks for watching my video.